All right, so we are standing outside a Wildwood FSX. It's the 190RT. I'm with Billy, who has never been inside an RV. Have you ever been inside an RV?
I've been inside an RV, but never any here.
Okay.
And it's been many years.
It's been a while?
Yes.
Okay, so we're starting her off smaller, a little more compact. This is a toy hauler. Do you know what a toy hauler is?
No.
Can you guess what they haul?
Motorcycles.
You can just say toys.
Toys.
Yeah.
Oh,
toys, big
okay.
motorcycles, and side-by-sides.
Four-wheelers and
so
whatever.
basically,
Okay.
You're right. You're right. Good guess.
Okay.
So what we're going to see
I was going
inside
to say toys.
is it's pretty open. You'll see why it's open because you need to get the toys in there. But this is the outside of the trailer.
Are these speakers?
These are speakers.
Nice.
And they're awesome. We were listening to some earlier while we ate. We'll go inside. I'll let you go first and take a look.
Okay.
This is going to be a little more open, like I said, almost like a studio apartment kind of.
Okay.
Just open.
So is this the only bed?
This is it.
Okay.
Well, this is the only official bed. I'll show you some that break down. So it looks like maybe about a queen. You have some storage
Nice
up there.
small closet there.
Maybe put shoes above here, maybe.
Yeah. Maybe store extra pillows or blankets in there.
Yeah.
That's
and then over
nice.
here some more storage. So kind of simple, but again, it's because this is mainly used to haul your toys. I can't even talk.
Okay.
A little bit of a separation here if you need a little bit of privacy. Bathroom in here. You can see it's got the
Oh,
the
wow,
shower.
there's a shower.
Yeah, the shower in there. Sink, a little bit of space to.
Looks like they've found a way to utilize all the space.
Right.
Like every single thing is, they've purposed it.
Absolutely.
That's nice.
Yeah. No space really goes to waste in these things. They know that, they've got very little, so they got to use what they got. So you talked about this being the only bed. So these will break down into, that's going to hold the toy. These will break down into beds. I'm not sure exactly.
Oh, okay.
Some of them, maybe it's just as simple as moving this away. You have a little more space.
So it just converts.
Yeah. So you got a kitchen over here, a fireplace.
Wow.
A fireplace. Let's see if we can.
Instant Hallmark moment.
Yeah. Exactly. Right there. Look at that.
Wow. Voila.
And it actually kicks out heat. You can already feel it. Feel that.
Oh, wow. It really does. Wow.
So that's cool. You get your space here for your TV.
Okay.
Backer.
Does it come with a TV, or would I have
with
to?
TVs. They'll store them with TVs because people will break in and take the TVs.
Oh.
But obviously the kitchen area, you got your refrigerator. But this is legit. You got 3 burners over here. This lifts up into a backsplash and breaks down, so you have a little more counter space.
Wow.
An oven. See what the size.
How many burners?
3 on this one.
3.
Yep. It's smaller, obviously a little smaller stove, but that's plenty of room for a frozen pizza.
Or a fresh batch of cookies?
Cookies or pizza.
Cookies, that's all you need.
And a microwave up here.
Nice, for popcorn.
Right. So some more storage. But again, these toy haulers are used for, hauling your toys. So this is stationary. This doesn't come out. I'm assuming these, you can take these out. These will move. It looks like some more storage comes with these.
Okay.
You can take these out, maybe even lift them up. We'd have to look into it.
It's really nice flooring.
Yeah, it's super nice.
Wow, everything is upgraded.
These are cool. They point these out. Let's go back to these. It may not make sense that they're super cool, but these are great because what a lot of people say is you take these into the house, you load what you need into it, and then you just bring it out and throw it in here. You don't have to start packing stuff into individual things or bring out items individually. It's just easier to...
Your pantry items, your...
Anything you want to put in there. So, yeah.
Well, that's nice and convenient.
I love these out here. I love the toy haulers.
I love the screen. Keep the bugs out.
Exactly. The toy haulers that convert into a porch or a patio like this. This is awesome.
Yeah. You can just eat out here with the family.
Just hang out and have fun. You don't even really need, if you like the open space, you don't need to have a toy to haul to have a toy hauler. You'll see that some of the toy haulers, as you see more of these things, some of the toy haulers are actually separated, almost like a different, I'm going to shut this, almost like a different room as a garage, and then the inside is more of like a living space. This is kind of just open to all of it. So this is one of the smaller toy haulers I've
Yeah.
seen.
I really like it,
Yeah.
but I think for my family, I might need something a little bit bigger, just because there's 5 of us.
Okay.
And so I don't know if you have something else maybe
I
you
got
could
the
show
RV
me.
for you. I got the RV
But
for you.
this is great.
It's a little bigger. Let's go check it out.
Okay, I'd love to.